Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the agriculture marketing. So these are the contents. So agriculture marketing and issues. This is the name of our topic. So in this video we are discuss about agriculture marketing, meaning characteristics of agriculture products and production. So remaining topics we are discuss in our next video. So the first point is agriculture marketing. So the meaning of agriculture marketing is the term agriculture marketing is composed of two words agriculture and marketing. So agriculture generally means growing and or raising of crops and livestock, while the marketing encompasses a series of activities involved in moving the goods from the point of production to the point of consumption. The agriculture marketing essentially involved in buying and selling agricultural produce. According to the Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR), agriculture marketing involves in three important functions. So, assembling or concentration of goods, the preparation for consumption, that is processing, and distribution of agriculture products through the various processes like PDS, that is public distribution system. So, according to the National Commission on Agriculture, agriculture marketing is the process which start with the decision to produce a sellable farm commodity, and it involves all aspects of market structure of systems, both functional and institutional, based on technical and economic consideration, and include pre-harvested and post-harvested operations of assembling, guarding, storage, transportation, and distribution. Agricultural marketing plays an important role not only in stimulating the productions and consumption, but also in accelerating the pace of economic development. It is its dynamic functions are of primarily importance promoting economic development. For the reason, for this reason, it has been described as the most important multiplier of agricultural development. An efficient marketing system is essential to maintain and accelerate the pace of increasing the production through the technological development. But for success in this program, the farmer must receive the remunerative prices for their produce. Otherwise, they would not be interested in increasing their production. So, from this point, we are discuss the characteristics of agriculture commodities. So, the agriculture commodities characteristics are given below. So, there are 8 characteristics which are very important uh, of the agricultural commodities. So, they are as follows. So, perishability of products. Most farms produce are perishable in nature, but the period of their perishability varies from a few hours to a few months. Their perishability makes it almost impossible for producers to fix the reserve price for their farm grown products. The the more perishable products require speedy handling and often spread uh, refrigerations, which raise the cost of marketing. The second point is seasonality of production. Farm produce are produced in a particular season of the year. They cannot be produced throughout the year. It leads to intra-year seasonality in the prices. In the harvest seasons, price of farms produce falls, but the supply of manufactured produce can be adjusted or made uniform throughout the year. The third point is the bulkiness of products. The bulkiness of products. The characteristics of bulkiness most farm produce makes their transportations and storage difficult and expensive. These facts also restricts the location of production to somewhere near the phase of consumption or processing. The price spread in bulky products is higher because of the higher cost of the transportation, handling, and storage. The variation in the quality of products. There is the large variations in the quality of agricultural products, which makes their gardening gardens and the standardizations somewhere difficult. This is due to this is not this is no such problem in manufactured goods because they can be produced of uniform quality. This is the fourth characters of the agricultural commodities. The fifth is irregular supply of agricultural products. The irregular supply of agricultural products. The supply of agricultural products is uncertain and irregular because of the dependence of the agricultural production on natural conditions, with the varying supply of demand of remaining almost constant. The price of agricultural produce, uh, the price of agricultural product fluctuate substantially more than that of manufactured products. The small size of this is the fifth point, and this is the sixth point. Small size of holding and scattered production of farm products are produced throughout the length and breadth of the country, and most of the producers are small in size. This makes the estimation of the supply difficult and creates a problem in the marketing. The seventh point is the product pricing. Apart from the problem, the product pricing, this is the 7 point. Apart from the problem in estimation of total supply in a small farm agriculture, an individual farmer faces a typical marketing situation as his share in total supply in very small. He cannot influence the market supply further owing to the inelastic nature of demand of most of the farm products. The market price of these products is determined independent his supply. It is in the context that an individual farmer is supposed to be operating in buyer market. The contrary, the contrary, the contrary to this, most of the manufacturing firms owing their largest share in the market can control to some extent supply and thus influence in the price of the product they sell. They sell. The processing of this is the 7.8 point. The processings of the processing. Most of the farm products need some kind of the processing before the consumption by the ultimate consumers. The processing functions through the adds value, increase the price spread of agricultural commodities. The processing firms enjoy the advantages of